Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamsa Fazal from Peshawar Model Schools. Dear students, hope you all are fine. Today which topic I'm going to explain, it is taken from your computer course of grade 6. Dear students, today our topic is table and our objective is students will be able to learn about the use of table in MS Excel. Dear students, do you know what? The Insert tab is used to insert objects such as tables, charts, pictures, hyperlinks, header and footer and text boxes. Now let's see how to create a table and work on different options of a table. Let's see one by one on the screen. I have some data, so if I want to create table for this data, I'll just keep my cursor in the data and I'll go to the Insert tab. So here is the tables option. So once I click on the table, then the dialog box will appear with the headers option. So this is the headers option. My table has headers. Now then you will click on OK. Now see, the beauty of this table is when you create a table, automatically you get sorting, you get filtering, you get sort by coloring options automatically. So dear students, when I'll keep the cursor in the table, you see there is a design tab which I'll get automatically. If I keep the cursor outside, the design tab goes away. Now I'll keep the cursor in the table and I'll go to the design tab. Now let's see what are table style options. Now just see, if I click on header row, what happens? The header row is hidden, now displayed. So the next option is total rows. When you have this kind of table and you want sum, average and all the functions, so it is very easy. Just see, here is a checkbox of total rows. When you click on this total row, you will automatically get the total of that column. So now the total obtained marks are 907. So the next option is banded rows. Dear students, if I want banded rows, let's see what exactly they are. Alternate rows are being banded or colored. So I'll just click on this banded rows. You can see the difference. The alternate rows are banded. Similarly, if you click for alternate columns, that is known as banded columns, you will see the difference of banded columns. So the difference is alternate columns are colored. So the next option is first column. When I click on first column, so first column will be highlighted. Similarly, if I go for the last column, so the last column of the given table will be highlighted. So there is one more option given here, that is the filter button. The filter button is used to get sorting, filtering and different options available. So if I don't want these options, so I can remove the filter button from here like this. So the last one is, if you want to color your table into different color formats. Now just see, under the design tab we have table style option at the right side. So here it is. Dear students, when you click on this drop down arrow, then you will get lots of tables. Now select any color which you like. So here I am going to select this one. So dear students, hope you understood the table style options. So dear students, today we learn about table. A table is a powerful feature to group your data together in MS Excel. So take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.